Wait,
Oh,
wait a minute, don't.
Too late. No, come on, rejoin. Alright, guess we're starting at the back.
My game decided, you know what? You're not starting on the second row.
Nope, it didn't like that. Alright, we're starting at the back then.
Good luck, all.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck,
Everybody.
friends.
Everybody, everywhere.
Now, question: everyone making their adjustments? Do we normally making their adjustments on like the first round of pit stops?
Of course.
As soon as you can.
I mean, that is.
Wait?
Oh, oh!
Unless there's a caution, then you know.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Here we go, boys. Getting ready to race at Atlanta.
Majeski versus
Side-by-side racing at a short track Cup Series could never.
Could
I'm
never.
praying to the internet gods not to get disconnected.
Yeah. The race, you're getting points.
Yeah, you're getting points. It doesn't even matter.
Hey, you're gonna get a point if you're the first person, but.
Come on, Osavar, get up there, boy.
Point is point.
Point is point.
Point is point. Yes, that is how that works.
That is a true statement.
As Mr.
Oh, I'm
Incredible
running
would
the
say.
wrong track.
Oh, shift
Oh,
up
well.
to third.
Now you're going to the
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
what's
I'm
going
gonna drop on
here?
the back stretch.
Yeah,
Oh my
that's what
goodness.
before.
Well, I don't know how I ended up in this position, but I'm not gonna complain.
Oh, hey Zeke.
Hey,
Bye Zeke.
bye.
Bye.
Racing is lagging a good bit.
What the fuck?
Don't worry, everything's cool, everything's great.
Hold your line, got one inside.
Oh, Rathman, did I hit you?
Uh-oh.
All clear?
Whoa!
Didn't touch me.
Okay.
Nope.
That was close.
It looked like it on my screen, so I wanted to make sure.
Who is this?
That is be Kyle Larson.
Understandable.
That would be my teammate.
I was like, who is this passing me when I'm down in 5th? This could be one of 2 people.
The race, man.
Hold your line, got one inside.
Was it one of those two people?
It was.
Interesting.
My other option was Earhart.
Whoa, Austin, sorry, I got on the wall.
My truck is tight, tight,
You're
tight,
good, no
tight.
big.
This top
Are we
five
3
is
wide?
crazy.
Nope. You backed out, Austin.
Clear low there.
Dang, commercial already? What the hell?
It's Fox.
Literally already. Well, it is 35 laps in.
It just went back green though. Actually, it was
I
like
know this.
15 laps ago. I'm still legally obligated to complain about
Yo,
Fox
that
Sports'
battle back there
broadcast,
for
though.
third is crazy.
Wow, that was your best
It's a four-way battle for
I
third.
see that. It's crazy back there.
Turn. I'm not clear.
I'm not clear.
Dang. I used Black Knight's quarter panel as a way for me to block Larson because I bounced off it.
Perfect.
Modern problems call for modern solutions.
Modern problems require modern solutions. Yes,
That's
Zeke.
the
Whoa,
grass.
someone to the grass.
Got that.
Oh boy, keep it down
I
there.
got loose.
Larson
was
just
that
got
Larson
absolutely shafted.
No, my teammate. Yeah, I didn't see you went down there. That was my teammate. Come on. So now I'm in the lead for all the VMS cars. Oh, boy.
Alright, I've made my way back up to third.
Oh yeah, I mean that's where you should have started. Sounds like you're having a good time back there though.
It was quite enjoyable. Oh, we have to pit.
Zeke, are you sure you don't want to come to MRC next year?
Quite sure. I like the basement and the second basement of our race shop.
I
You
like
guys don't
the
have- You
basement.
guys don't have that?
Basement.
Yeah, it's just a garage just sitting out in Wisconsin.
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah, we decided to use my parents' extra garage for the garage.
Cause it's just a regular like off the house garage, and he's like, "It's our race shop."
Yeah, that's how it
Look
works.
over here. You look over here. We got.
His mom comes out to the garage and makes him breakfast.
Does the laundry.
Got one down.
I don't live there
Yeah.
anymore.
There's llama. Pay attention to them, to that tire wear.
Yep.
The tire wear goes out in like 10 a lap, so I'm pitting this time.
I
As
just
am
found
I.
out.
Good next time.
I'm hitting
I'm
this
gonna
lap.
do it.
BK
Oh.
hitting this time.
Still there? You're all clear up top.
But if I
Also,
pit,
smart to just split the stage and get equal tire
Hitting this
advantage.
time. Don't speed it.
Yeah, Zeke, don't speed.
Motherfucker, I
Oh.
thought it was 55.
Thought it was
So did
55.
I.
my
So did
guy.
I.
Last 10 laps, you gotta focus.
Hopefully
Alright,
the
just gotta
game is
make some
generous.
adjustments here, guys.
Oh no, the game definitely isn't.
I mean to me.
Me. He doesn't care about you.
Danny Jr.'s pitting.
A2 pin this time.
I'm going with Danny.
The game was not generous.
Not even slightly.
I'm not gonna get all these adjustments made. Okay. I'll
Yeah, I
have to
thought it
make
was
the-
55 too, so I let off the brakes when I was at 50.
Go easy on the tires. Slow down.
Yeah, that's a sucky pit
Looks
road
like
to get
I
on
got
with
a
the
little
curb
bit of,
too.
And exiting.
Perfect.
spun out
I got a little bit
twice
of an
in the-
advantage with everybody else
55.
speeding on pit road, unfortunately, so
Exiting.
I'll gain a spot or two.
Black Knight exiting.
Raceman exiting.
Yup.
I spun out twice in the cup race trying to get on pit road 'cause that ding apron's so like
Exiting.
close.
Hopefully nobody's coming this time. I would not like to get another one.
And
I
now
would
we'll
not.
merge back on.
Not in the one you're racing for a
So
championship.
Zeke and AJ sped on pit road.
Yep.
Yes.
Wow.
Danny Jr.
Aw.
Maniac
Whoa,
didn't.
whoa, that's
Let's
fine.
go. Maniac exiting.
Clear of pit road.
Came up too soon.
Yeah,
Wrapped
Good news is
on.
I think I can make the rest of those adjustments.
Coming out.
A2 exiting. I'm staying low.
Hey, I'm gonna get a stage point.
Hey,
Damn
that's
it,
more
Earhart.
stage points than show.
Yeah.
Dude, that's super fast.
Oh my gosh, Jake Garcia just walled in finger.
Ooh.
Oh shit, he did.
Jake
That's
Garcia's
not good.
underrated though. He's a pretty
This is gonna
underrated
be
guy.
interesting.
Typically.
Austin, if you think you're faster, go.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I
I'm
was
saying
looking at my
hi.
TV.
If you
I
think you're
drove onto
faster,
the
go.
curb.
You gotta go get them stage points, bro. You can't be doing that.
What do you mean go? I'm
But I also can
second
get. I
behind
also can
you.
get his draft.
Oh, that's not even you. That's Larson.
Yeah, I'm in 5th.
Oh.
Still there.
Just passed Austin
Oh,
back
out
for
there.
4th.
Need it.
Fourth.
4th.
Speed.
You are speed.
Not on pit road. Don't speed on pit road. Right, Zeke?
How the fuck am I pulling away from you?
I'm tight. I tightened my car up.
I did too, but like, it's weird. I don't like it.
What wedge are you at?
52.
Same. With my setup?
Yeah.
I need to loosen my truck up more. I had it's like a
You're just driving
halfway
it better.
slicker. It's way too tight.
Yeah.
Then cups for the cup cars last week, I used like a mid slider and it was pretty good, if not too loose.
You know what they say? Mid slider for mid setup.
That's
Far
true.
outside.
If you want to be mid,
Yeah, both.
how mid can you get?
I don't know what the hell just happened.
But due to everyone's issues, I'm gonna get like third in the stage, which is really good for my point situation.
I'm
It's
still
gonna be really good
4th
for
in the stage right now. This would be nice.
Dang, there's like a four-way battle or five-way battle for whatever position that is. I think that's fourth.
No, I'm in 4th.
Yeah, and there's like 4 cars like half a second behind you.
Yeah, they're fighting for fifth.
This is gonna be really good points for Chilla and Maniac.
Dang it, put in the fence in one.
It's
See,
like
now you're part of the battle.
now you're part of the battle.
Yeah, I'm part of the battle now.
You played yourself.
I did play myself.
Oh, someone hit the apron.
Zeke's just back there chilling.
I'm
Yeah.
just watching this.
Are you a lap down?
Nope.
Oh.
I'm just watching somebody hit the wall in front of me and then almost spin out into the
I
inside
see that.
wall and
There's
almost
a
hit the outside
gaggle.
wall.
There's an
and
absolute
go way down to the
gaggle of cars
inside
on the backstretch.
and then hit the outside wall.
Outside of him.
Who's on the apron back there?
That was Black Knight who just had a major. I don't even know what the heck happened there.
They're going BK.
Major skill issue. I'm just kidding.
Black Knight, what happened? You were like going sideways, side by side.
Blew a
like, going
tire.
back and forth the entire. Oh, that'll do it.
You
What?
blew a tire? Oh shit.
Did you not
Already?
take Did you not
Don't
take
forget.
left?
I think
Bro's
I
got
found
that
the
ultra
problem,
loose
guys.
set
He blew
up.
a tire.
That's why I haven't been pushing very hard.
That's why I've been running the top, is so I can preserve tires.
Even still, I have a. I don't know. My tires are at
It would
30s.
be a shame if you were to blow a tire and take out everybody who's right around you, and that would take 4th place.
That would be
I have
a shame.
30. I'm at 35% on my.
Oh, where?
I gotta tighten that one tire
But
up.
you're at 35%, so why are you running the top?
Because I've been running the
someone just
top.
blew a tire.
It
Oh!
was AJ.
Yeah, how are y'all blowing tires already?
Yeah.
Shit, that's multiple cars on the exit.
6.
Oh, well,
No,
there's
I
a
gave- I
stage.
gave
6.
2 spots from that.
6.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Best stage finish ever. 6th.
AJ.
Let's go.
No.
Whoops, AJ.
Had a damn
Alrighty.
I
Major
beat
whoops.
Zeke and
Oh,
AJ. I'm proud of myself.
13 seconds of damage. Holy moly.
Kyle Larson.
Pumped up.
Nice running. Nice recovery.
Nice running.
Nice running. I'm running and running.
The way you
and
said
running.
that didn't sound like nice running.
Sounded like less nice running. But
Well,
anything.
Larson needed those stage points.
Yeah.
Yeah, he
We
did.
both
He
needed
was
them.
only 1 point above the cutoff line.
Joa, Larson, Maniac, Llama even got stage points. Rathbone and BK need to get some
No, I didn't
stage
hit.
points.
Oh
you
my
absolute
god.
You're
What?
probably going to pit in the stage anyway.
I didn't fit either. I
Guys,
forgot to.
we
I
have
was
an
dealing with
SVG
stuff.
siding in the top 20.
Oh,
I
3 of
forget
y'all
something
didn't
like
fit.
I forgot to hit the
Instant
button.
click it.
I forgot to go
It's so
through it.
stupid.
I forgot to do it.
Clickety clack.
Oh, oh, AJ.
I don't
That's
have
not
any
the way
fucking
you get out
tires.
of the way.
How the
Oh.
fuck did you get out of the way, smartass, with 2 blown tires?
Oh,
Wait,
sorry.
you're blowing
Whoa.
tires?
Yes, both right sides are fucking blown.
I take back everything I said.
Oh, I'm spinning. I got tagged. I got tagged. I saved
Oh
it.
my gosh, I made it through that.
I am backing out of this bullshit.
I
What
made it
the
through
For the
that.
next
I'm
time,
in
for the
3rd
next
place.
time.
I got tagged by Joa. He slid up the track and tagged me.
Yeah, I have no tires, dude. I'm sorry.
Y'all need
Yeah,
to pit.
I should have seen it. I should have seen it
Absolutely
coming, but
outrageous.
well, Rathbun's about to go around.
Everyone get by me. Everyone get by me. I'm probably pitting next time, actually. Just trying to see if I can maybe split the stage still, not
Oh, yeah,
completely.
you don't want to stop. Yeah,
Yeah, I can go one more lap here. I might blow my right rear, but fuck it.
better run that high side the rest of the stage.
Exactly. I'm not sure how much fuel you have. I'm not sure if I can make it on one more stop here, but I'll sure try.
Get like 15.
Austin, go. I'm
Because
going
damn,
low.
I
I'm going
screwed up
low.
super-
I'm going low.
So you can make it on fuel from here.
Raceman, go low. I'm going behind you.
Yeah, I think my right rear is gonna blow out entering pit road, so I just gotta hopefully not staying at 3%. It's being a good boy.
This is fucking retarded.
My bad. I
Hit
couldn't get
blue.
down
Okay,
fast
we're
enough.
good. We're good.
Sorry, Larson. Didn't try to get that low.
That was
My
annoying.
tire
I was
blew.
I was too
as
busy
I was
Dealing with stuff.
entering pit road.
Dealing with like
Oh,
Discord
I'm not
and like
doing that.
moving stuff on my second monitor and didn't pay attention to pitting.
Yeah, I'm good on fuel. I just gotta save tires like freaking hell.
Yeah, I'm gonna be running that top side trying to save tires.
I cannot believe I choked that though and just didn't click that button to pit. I'm so
Oh,
stupid.
I didn't even start going through it.
Oh, sorry, Larson.
So Joe, I just assume you didn't have any tires in 2 when you tapped me.
Correct, and I had someone to my inside too.
Oh no, HJ.
Dude, we were through. I didn't know we were 3 wide. I just assumed you didn't have tires.
Oh!
Exactly.
Go by me.
Ooh, boy, that was.
Yeah.
That was nuts.
We all survived it though.
Outside.
Oh, that was fucking stupid.
What did you do?
Yeah. His tire situation.
Yeah, I had 3 of my 4 tires were blown, and I was out of gas by the time.
3 of 4 is crazy.
Fucking stupid.
Pretty stupid.
Next gen be like.
Yeah, both right sides were blown at the very start of the stage, and then spinning it trying to get back to pit road, I blew the left rear, so that was fun.
Oh, okay.
Did I hit you?
No. Oh, good thing I was running the top. Okay, who's behind me?
Where are you going, AJ?
Alright, so Larson and Fama, I'm pitting this time.
I fucking sped.
Hopefully.
Oh, wind. How could you do such a
92 pitting.
I didn't even speed by that much either.
25 pits.
Hold your line, got one inside.
Larson, if you're not pitting, go high.
Shit.
My bad. I tried to get out of the way.
Oh!
Oh!
Yes! Beautiful! Love that shit!
Wind,
Love
you're so
that
fucking
shit.
lucky, bro.
Wasn't expecting that, but alright, I'll
The
take it.
lucky bastard
You're
himself.
Oh, wait,
such a lucky bastard.
Is someone already pitted?
Yeah, Wind was in the pit.
No!
Well,
Dang it!
I
I'll
guess
get my lap
I'll,
back.
If Win
yeah,
was in,
guys
if Win
who
was in
are
the
lap
pits,
down, you might as well stay out.
no, because if Win's in the pits, we won't get the wave round anyways.
Oh wait, I forgot about that.
Yeah, Win was in the pits, so we don't get the wave round since he didn't pit.
Damn it.
So that's why I pitted, was because I knew I wasn't gonna get the wave round since Win didn't pit during the caution.
Alright guys, causing their caution, come on now.
That's nonsense.
Let me get past Joa first before you cause the caution.
Let me just slide my way in there.
Just right on in there.
Right on in.
Careful, still there.
I see.
Oh, I thought that was gonna be a wreck.
Whoa.
Oh, Larson.
Wrathbone, I'm there!
Oh, he saved it.
Wow, what a save.
Car there on the inside.
Are you still there?
Yep, I'm there. I'll let you know. You're clear.
I'm clear. At least I hoped I was. You never know of this game sometimes.
Sometimes.
Car there on the outside. You got room, you're clear there. Keep it up now. That was your best lap ever.
Now that I'm ahead of Joe, you guys can cause the caution.
Yeah, I
Don't
didn't
worry,
pit.
you'll get 1 in 3 laps.
I might actually have completely screwed myself this race if we don't get a caution third stage. Just because I didn't click pit in a stage 1.
Yeah, shit happens.
Shit
I didn't
happens,
collect
and
pits on
die.
the end of stage 1, and look where I am. I'm doing really well. I'm the first car 1 lap down, so I get the free pass in 2 laps.
I can't do fucking shit when I'm always on this caught on the outside.
Quite honestly, my only option might be to stay out this go around, get the free pass, or waiver. Oh, I was always
Waiver.
spinning. Last one spinning.
My
I
flag
would
in
the
the
wall.
be fine. And actually, it wouldn't matter at this point.
A single car Wrath 1 wrecked.
It looks like he's in pits.
I think someone else DC'd, because I'm in 12th instead of last place, so someone else
No,
was
AJ's
DC'd.
2 laps
No.
down.
Yeah,
AJ's 2 laps
AJ
down.
DC'd.
No,
Fucking
AJ's
6
not
laps
DC'd.
down.
AJ's sitting
Nah.
right in front of me 2 laps down.
He's
He's
not
six
2
laps
laps down.
He's not 2 laps
He is
down.
definitely not 2 laps
he had,
down.
he had no tires and no gas.
Oh,
No, guys.
so then he's
No guy
So then
else.
he's 1 lap
No
down.
gas.
So wait, how is he 1 lap down? How is he not?
He's not 1 lap down.
Yeehaw, howdy.
Oh, is he more than
Yeehaw.
2? Okay.
Yes.
Well,
40
that-
Nah,
on
that
the
made
stage.
up for the first stage.
Let me rephrase that. BK, where did you finish?
7th.
7th. Okay, so I still beat you. I got 6th.
He's asking where you finished just to rub
This
it in.
race means 6.
Yeah, but you didn't get any stage points this time.
I didn't, but BK didn't get any last time.
That was last time, not this time.
Yeah. So I still
Times
I
changed.
still have more points.
Times have changed, my friend.
Mayhaps. Times be a changing.
Oh, AJ's
Race
6
ain't
laps
over
down.
yet.
AJ, I was being a little
forget to pit.
optimistic with your 2 laps down.
Don't forget to pit if you're gonna pit.
It happens again.
Alright, please caution, please
Oh.
caution.
Rathbun
Uh-oh.
stayed out.
We're going green.
Yeah, he pitted on the last lap because he wrecked. So I'm not sure
Oh,
if
he
that's...
did do that, yeah.
Well, Llama got a bad start.
Hey, Joa.
Stay on the bottom. Stay on the bottom here. Alright, you're clear there.
Oh, this is gonna get stupid.
Oh.
Inside.
Oh, they're
Yeah,
wrecking multiple cars, multiple cars.
I got
multiple cars,
I got caught up in there.
Oh,
I'm on my
gosh,
roof.
it's
Let's
out.
go. Let's go.
Game
Ha,
called
I
it.
kept the lead.
I got caught up in that one. I
Larson hit the apron.
actually started barrel rolling.
Oh, is that what
Well,
happened?
there you go, Joa.
You don't know how happy I was when I saw 2 cars flipping over me.
I was one.
over.
Joa, I wouldn't be too happy. I was one of those cars.
Well, that's alright.
Yeah, I was running that outside line. I see some car sideways, so I turn dead left, and then all of a sudden someone's there pushing me up into AJ.
I saw Larson go sideways after hitting the apron.
Yeah.
She blows.
Yeah, there was someone to my inside, so I couldn't have turned left anyways, so there was nowhere I could have gone.
AJ's comeback has begun. Now he's only 5
Oh,
laps
2
down.
tires.
Oh man.
What happened to AJ? I thought he DC'd.
No.
No, we've established this.
He had a
Talk.
he had a bad time.
The bad time is over.
Listen, he had to
Oh
go
no,
to the
it's still
bathroom,
happening
came back
because
and-
I just got stuck in that wreck.
Oh, you got caught in that wreck.
Oh,
Yeah,
you did
I
what
hit
you had to
AJ.
do, right?
I hit AJ in that wreck.
Oh, I love the outside line so much.
So do
I know, I fucking hate that shit.
I love it.
Oh, I'm not clear.
Still there.
I'm
Inside.
3 wide. I'm backing out of that.
Inside,
Please
BK,
park it.
inside.
Oh, he didn't park it.
Larson, I'm gonna let you go. You have more speed.
Oh, wait, you're in the 3? Why are you in the 3?
I did wrong truck.
I thought that was someone else.
This is Danny.
Danny's in the
And
3, yeah.
Got one up top.
Where are you?
Alright.
It's alright. Air Hull will just get DQ'd for that. No big deal.
Yeah. Free points for
Running the
everyone.
wrong one.
Free points for all.
Oh, turn. Oh, not that much.
I just ran a 30.3.
Not
That's
bad.
fast, lab driver.
Earhart, what'd you run last lap?
So I got a
Third,
huge
30,
lap,
18.
I ran a 37. King.
Was that your best lap of the race?
No, my best lap is a 148.
Mine
Dang,
was.
mine's a 152. Aaron, what's
There's
yours?
a 30.09.
Oh, I
No.
ran a 1.
Well,
I can't believe I saved that.
Can't believe you've done this.
I can't believe
Somebody didn't.
We were 4 wide. I got hit and went through the infield. Kept it straight. And we're still going.
I see someone stopped at the apron at turn 1. What's going on there?
Yeah, there was a wreck.
I was the wreck, but I kept it straight and kept going.
Well, someone's not going.
No.
They're looking for revenge this lap.
What is it?
Probably.
Their car stalled.
Oh, so that's true.
Fucking cat. Under my goddamn pedals.
Oh no!
Oh my
It's
gosh,
an
that's
SDM.
Jim.
Yeah.
You're clear. Car there on the inside.
I can't believe it happened again.
It did.
Do you
I
think
figured
Black...
you were faster, Larson, so I let you go.
Good choice, VK. He's my teammate. That's why it's a good choice.
Pretty short race.
Truck race.
Yeah, I was about to say it's a truck
Yeah.
race.
Truck
races
race
aren't
with
too loud.
cautions, that would do it.
Yeah,
I
truck
mean,
race
we
with
didn't really have any cautions.
We've had like 3.
One.
That's why I like 100% truck races a lot better.
We've had one actual like race interrupting caution besides the stages, and the one that came like on the last lap of stage 1.
And the one that
Yeah.
came on the first lap of stage 3.
Well, that's what I meant. That was the one.
Oh, you
So-
were counting that one?
Yeah.
I mean, there was the one that happened right in the middle of stage 1.
Clear low, clear low.
Maybe I
think.
forget.
I don't know anymore.
Coming inside now.
I don't know anymore.
I don't know.
Still there. Alright, you're clear.
Ooh, what a drive off the corner. How many laps can you get on a tank? 15?
More than you can get on tires.
Pit.
A2 pin this lap. A2 pin this lap.
Pitting this lap.
Black Knight
Oh,
pitting
hey,
this
who's gonna-
lap.
hey.
00 staying out 1 lap, coming in next lap.
Did you do it?
I did not speed.
Wow.
You looked like you were about to speed.
I stayed on the brakes the entire time that time.
See if we can manage our tire wear a little, alright?
Somebody tagged me in the rear, but I held it straight.
Yeah, that was me. You were way slow.
I was trying to
Maybe
slow
it's
down
better.
so that right rear didn't blow.
Good strategy. I was coming hot. I could have spun out easily, but I'm doing anything to make up track position at this point. I don't care.
Watch your speed, please.
Somehow didn't get a penalty, so we're chilling.
92 exiting.
Hitting this time.
Good. I was looking, we're good.
But if I exited.
A2 exiting. No one's there though.
Earhart's in this time.
Yep, I pitted.
He is pitted.
98 exiting.
No, the 98's in turn 2. in real life.
IRL at IRP.
55 coming out.
00 coming out.
You're clear of pit road.
Exiting.
That was a lap right there.
Is that your fastest lap ever?
It was 29.9.
Very nice.
29.9? Wow, that's
Yeah.
faster than what I've ever gotten on a slider.
29.991.
But I was just testing with customs at Trucks Atlanta the other day. I was able to make a 29.71.
Really?
You're just not wearing big enough knee pads.
That's gotta be it. It's gonna be that kind of race.
It's one of these races.
I see, Zeke. I see you. I'm there. Oh, he's high. He's high. Old Barney looking car.
There's a 29.99.
990 what?
991.
Oh my gosh, he's already
me
here.
too. Me too. That was mine.
Win, you were saying it's gonna be one of these races? No, it's just one of those we think we're gonna battle for the win. Earhart just drives past both of us kind of races.
Coming up on you, Austin.
Whoa, AJ.
Coming low.
Oh no! Oh! Oh, come on!
I got it out of the
Coming
way.
up on you, Rathbun. Don't look low.
I mean, I didn't wreck, but I lost their draft down there now. That was close though. You came down right behind Win and right in front of me. Just like Exalted when he pit that one time at Daytona.
Oh, that was crazy.
You know, I noticed that, and I'm like, no. Oh, God, thank God. I'm like, listen, I haven't put it in the wall the whole race. No. Ah, shit.
No.
It's always the worst time to put it in the wall in front of the 3 leaders.
Boy, have I seen that happen a bunch of times.
Well, because at that point you look like a jackass too. Because like it's, hey, these guys are racing for the lead. Meow. Oh my gosh! Oh my! I lifted 5 times. And I hit the wall still.
Bruh.
I only lift 2 times per corner, so.
I usually lift once.
So I usually lift 4 times a lap.
2 to go.
I'm
Over
not
the
gonna
white.
lift this lap. No
Okay,
lift,
I
no
lied.
balls.
I lift 3 times.
No balls. Oh, I gotta lift. No,
I
there's no
finally
lift.
didn't have to go against Miles at his goated track and
my
his
gosh.
goated series.
That's
Frickin'
why he's the
finally.
goat.
Oh, come on, guys, wreck.
White flag.
No, I'm stuck in 9th. Dang it. Unless
Let's
these
go.
guys
Oh,
wreck.
Larson's coming. That's not good.
Yeah, Larson, go.
Okay.
I am not losing this 3rd place.
I've never won a truck sliders race at Atlanta before.
Until
Even though
today.
I've done like 3 of them
Is this
or
BK?
4 of them.
It's BK.
Well, wish me luck. I got 6% of mine right front coming through one more turn.
Come on,
Oh, you'll be
BK.
fine.
Let's
Blow
go.
a tire.
Let's go. We take
Blow a
that.
tire, BK. Blow a tire.
I did blow a tire.
Win!
I didn't say
Oh my
you, I
gosh!
said BK.
Win stage 1, I win stage 2, Earhart
I
wins
know
the
it's
race.
Finally, so.
You know, it really sucks.
9.
Yeah, I
But-
stayed out 2 laps longer than y'all.
The only thing that cost me a
couldn't say
lap
Yes, we noticed.
was spinning on entry to pit road and hitting the frickin' infield wall.
Yeah,
I've hit it on the perfect lap. If I would have went one lap earlier, I would have.
Sorry, NASCAR, I didn't blow a tire.
Yeah, I was hoping you
on the
would, because you were slow on with 2 to go, so I was wondering
Well,
if you
AJ,
had a
the race didn't go as planned.
Saying that was a battle, 5th, 6th, 7th.
I only had 4% left on my right rear, so I had to slow up and lost 2 positions because of it.
If only you had lost one
Yeah, I
more.
noticed that you were really catching me there at the NBK. I was kind of scared, and then something happened.
I came off of 4 and came down to pit, and for whatever reason,
Oh shit!
one tire touched the ground and said, "Hey, guess what?"
Oh shit! We actually have Xfinity Richmond tomorrow. I've never done a league race at Xfinity at Richmond.
That'll be
I
fun.
don't think I have either. I've only done Truck and Cup.
Yeah, same.
Truck and Cup.
I can mark one off the list there.
I mean, personally, I'd be.
Wow.
I mean, I got nothing. better to do, but...
I'm still proud of
Oh,
that.
he gave it to me!
Did it give it to you?
He gave me the fastest lap!
Even though we tied?
Oh my gosh. The game hates wind.
It does hate wind, it really does.
I'm like,
Yeah,
I'm not
this happened the other day.
I was lifted way too much. Unfortunately.
Guys, remember when Majeski and Heim were side by side for 20 laps?
Yeah, now they're 4 seconds apart.
Yeah, I definitely.
Wait, does Majeski have a win this year?
Nope.
Does he not?
I don't think he does.
Hey guys, just want to point out SMS 1, 2, 3, 4 for fastest laps.
Oh, were we?
Hell yeah.
What do you like to see?
I got the 9th fastest lap to finish 5th. Love to see it.
How did me and Earhart
Finessing people?
am lapping?
I'll probably give us both points for the fastest lap, just cause.
I mean, we did tie.
So if you two tied, that means I got the 2nd fastest lap and I finished last.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How it be?
Listen,
There's
I
always
finished the
more
race,
race.
and it wasn't all over the place. So.
Zeke, next weekend we go to Xfinity, Iowa. You're the defending winner, aren't you?
I'm so proud
I think
of
I
that.
am, yeah.
The last time we went to Xfinity, Iowa.
I won because it wasn't it because like Miles.
Miles got penalized. I think.
Yeah, just penalized for going below the line. Oh no, for pitting under caution.
Funny. Yeah,
I'm so proud of that.
Alright,
Hey,
well GG y'all. Good race.
SVG is
Good
still on the
race.
lead lap.
Wow.
He's the last car on the lead lap.
He is. Congratulations to him.
Where'd that guy go?
It was a great race, guys. Congrats, Earhart.
That was
Yeah,
a
thanks.
great race.
That was a fun race, yeah.
Yeah, very good one. I somewhat came back.
I kind of wish I was racing for truck points.